Are you tired of tripping over cords or loud compressors when using a sprayer? Well, I think this is a game changer. I was gifted this cordless handheld sprayer by Houselife. It is battery operated, so no more cables. It doesn't come with a battery. This is for Makita, a yellow one for a Dewalt battery, and a red for Milwaukie battery. So it covers any battery that you probably already have at home. It comes with a cup for spraying, an angled straw. It comes in two parts. You just line up the arrows and, as you can hear, a tight seal, tape, 20 filter bags, brush and needle tool for cleaning out, a viscosity cup, and 5 different size nozzles. I mean, that's brilliant for different thicknesses. One is already in the sprayer, and here's the other 4. For me, I'm excited to use it for glazing. No cord, no compressor. What could be better? I am so excited to use this. Between uses, it's freestanding, no spillage. Let's go outside and spray.